Hey guys, welcome back to another installment of LHCyberx Explains It All, and today we're going to be talking about something that's really cool and really helpful for anybody looking to build a reliable and quality website, and that is Grav CMS. Grav CMS is a very easy to use, very quality CMS that provides great user experience, great user interface, and a great back-end experience too. As you can see, this is the page editor for my management page specifically. And what we're going to be talking about more specifically is plugins for Grav CMS. Now, Grav CMS offers a plethora of plugins that help to reduce the amount of code and time that it takes to implement a feature. So today we're going to be talking about two of them. One is going to be the shortcode core plugin that helps to kind of reduce the amount of formatting text you need to center things or align certain pictures or text. So right here we have a line of code that is supposed to center an image, this image down below. Now it's really long and it's really complicated, and if you actually can see here, going to my management page, it doesn't even show up properly. Now that could be for a multitude of different reasons. There could be a wrong mark in here, wrong semicolon, or it could just not work for this feature. So what we're going to do is instead we're going to install this shortcode core plugin. So over here we're going to go to plugins. We're going to re-log in, and then we're going to go up here to add. And then this is where we can type in shortcode core. This is where we're going to find it. We'll hit install and click continue. And now that is installed. Okay. And if we go back to pages, go back to the management page, we can actually center this image in a much easier way. So if we just do bracket center, and then we take this image, insert it in there, and then close that bracket of center, and then save the web page. We can go back to here, and if we refresh the page, the image shows up in the center of the web page. So that means we can go ahead and actually delete this line of code, making it much more easier to read, and perfect layout. So that's just one plugin that Grav offers. Another one that's even more helpful is called SEO. Now what SEO does for, say, social media pages like LinkedIn or Twitter or Facebook, and you're posting a link to a video or a web page, and when you post it, there's a little preview of what the link is about, a little box that previews up the content of the web page. Now SEO is what is responsible for that. It's really helpful to give the user and any audience members a look into what they're going to be reading, so they don't just click on a random link that has a lot of symbols and numbers that aren't readable. So we're going to go into plugins again, and we're going to add another one. And if we go up and type in SEO, does not want to work for me right now. There we go. SEO, the second one with the little G next to it. We'll hit install, click continue, and now that has installed. So what we're going to do is we'll go back to pages just for now, and then I'm going to be using my LinkedIn page, for example. So if we just refresh this page, make sure it's up to date, we can go to the home page, grab this link, and we can post it on here. If you'll notice, there's the little preview box that it pops up with. And then if you post it, it then provides you with not just a link, which is down here to the website, but an example or a picture of what you might be looking at. You can change this picture of what web page you want it to be on when a user opens it. But this is kind of what the idea is. They can get an idea of what they're going to be looking at, reading, and understand better than just a link with a bunch of unreadable symbols and numbers. So that's it for today, guys. I will post the link to this website down in the description below. But I hope you enjoyed, and come back next week for another installment.